A confrontation between a Bedouin and an arrogant scholar. A Bedouin lived in a desert. He grazed camels all day and slept under the desert stars at night. He was not educated, but he was rich in life experience. A scholar came from a city in the same desert. He was very well educated and proud of his knowledge. He smiled at the Bedouin and said, "Oh, ignorant Bedouin! You will herd camels here all your life. You have not received the light of knowledge. You live in darkness." Bedou smiled and replied, "O scholar! You are very learned, but you have never tasted the air of the desert, nor seen the brightness of the stars. Your knowledge is limited to books." The scholar said in anger, "I ask you some questions. If you answer them, I will believe that you also know something. Ask." "I am listening," said Bedou. The scholar asked the first question, "How many stars are there in the sky?" Bedou replied, "As many nights as can be counted with eyes open." The scholar asked another question, "How many fish are there in the sea?" "As many waves rise in the sea," replied Bedou. The scholar was surprised. He was not satisfied with Bedou's answers. He asked the third question, "If I give you to camels and to goats, how will you divide them?" Bedou smiled and said, "I will give you a camel and a goat, and keep the rest for myself." The scholar said, "What kind of answer is that?" Bedou said, "I have never asked you for anything. You yourself want to give it all to me." The scholar bowed his head after seeing the wisdom of the Bedouin. He realized that knowledge is not only in books, but also in life experience. Bedou taught the scholar that both knowledge and practice are important, and that mere reading and writing is not enough.